Hello students, welcome to this video. Students, in this video I will be explaining you the formation of a company. Now we have in total 4 steps for the formation of a company. As we know that we have two types of companies. One is the private company and the other is the public limited company. So a private company follows only 3 steps and the public limited company follows the total 4 steps. Now let us come to the formation of a private company. The very first step for the formation of a private company is promotion. What is promotion? Promotion is done by the promoter. Who is a promoter? Promoter is a person who starts the business, who has basically the idea of starting the business. Just for an example, the promoter of Reliance Industries is Dhirubhai Ambani because he had an idea to start the Reliance Industries. So first of all, promotion is done, idea is taken, and then according to it, all the resources required to practicalize that idea are being arranged. We will be studying the steps of promotion in detail in our next video. The second is incorporation. Incorporation means registration. The registration is done by the registrar. What is done? All the documents which are being prepared in the last step of promotion, such as MOA, AOA, consent of directors, all these documents are prepared, a file is being prepared, and then that file is sent to the registrar for the registration process. Some amount of fees is charged, then all the documents are verified, and if the registrar is satisfied, then he issues a certificate of incorporation on which the date is also being mentioned. Then, as we're talking of the private company, capital subscription stage is not followed by the private company because it is for those companies, those who are subscribing the shares from the general public, those are issuing the prospectus. So after incorporation, commencement of business is done. Commencement of business means the date of starting of the business is being given by the registrar. A certificate of commencement of business is given by the registrar, and the date on which the business has to be started, that is given on that certificate. So these 3 steps are being followed while we are making a private company. And when we are making a public limited company, promotion is done, idea is taken, and then all the resources are being arranged. Incorporation is done in the same way as we are doing in the private company. But before going to the commencement of business, that means before starting the business, this capital subscription stage is covered. What is capital subscription stage? Capital subscription stage is a stage where the company invites the general public for the subscription of the shares, and it has a series of steps, it has a number of steps which have to be followed. Basically, the prospectus is issued and then minimum subscription has to be achieved, then allotment of shares is done. So again, we will be studying the process in detail. So for private company, we follow promotion, incorporation is done, and then commencement of business, that means business is started. And for public limited company, promotion step, then incorporation step, then they have to go through capital subscription step, and then commencement of business. So I hope students you like the video. Thank you students.